So look behind me. Yeah, today is laundry day on the cruise. Let me show you how easy it is to wash your unmentionables right in your cruise cabin sink. Come along. So I use this. It's called Sink Suds. It comes with a bunch of detergent here and a stopper for your sink. Now, this already has a stopper, but not all sinks work. So we're going to put it on just to be safe. And we're going to put in some hot water and our suds. As it says, perfect for travel. Then get out all my dirty underwear. And socks. Nice hot water. And I really mix it up well. Kind of like your washing machine would, right? Just keep going. And you want to do each one really well. By doing this, it saves on the amount of clothes you have to take with you. You're able to wash in the sink. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to take off our drain. And then we're just going to each one really well. Rinse them out. Okay? Bring it. Rinse it. And then wring it. I also like this underwear because it really doesn't take up much room at all. And it dries fast, which is great if you're doing your laundry in the sink. Nice. Rinse that well. Okay, and now you're going to have some fresh smelling underwear. And then, okay, take this towel, try to get as much out as I can. Stick it in here. Really wring them well. That had excess water in it, didn't it? And of course, the socks are going to take the longest to dry. Then roll this up like this. Oops. Okay. And then I'm just like that, trying to get out as much water as I can. And then I'm hanging them on any hooks anywhere I can to dry. And like I said, the neat thing about these is that they dry really, really fast. Here. Go 8 pairs of underwear. And for our socks. Yep, just hanging right there in the towel rack. Now, so if you want them to dry quicker, just use your blow dryer. Or I've bought some of these online and they are magnetic. All the walls in your cabin is generally magnetic. So yeah, you can use these and put any clothes you want on the door, on the walls, whatever. Just like that. And something you might want to bring with you, you can use these little office clips. They come in various sizes, right? They can work, and I'll show you how. And these can go on the, see, right on the line. So you can use those office clips that you borrow from your office. They work real well too. But of course they're not magnetic. And of course you could use clothespins too, but I find that these take up a lot less room and work just great. Now wasn't that easy? I mean, it really is. And it will save you, I think one bag of laundry is $35. So do this. Make sure you have your sink sets, and you will be prepared to save money and to easily wash your clothes while on a cruise or in a hotel. Hope you found this helpful.